Hello and welcome to a simple tutorial on upgrading in Need for Speed. So here you can see I have got into a race and I'll be showing you some tactics on how to always win your races. I am in a medium mode, but you need to get off the line with a perfect start and then boost straight away as I did. Now you want to start drifting about 100 yards from the apex, and then you want to cut them up and go up the inside of the cars. A lot of people think you need to sustain speed around the outside, but yes, that is true in real life, but in this you just want complete power through small areas. You want to cut up the other people, and you can bump them. It doesn't matter really in this game. You just need to use your nitrous, drift, and if possible hit the jumps because they give you a lot of nitrous. As you can see, I missed it, but it doesn't matter because the people that I am winning against are about 180 meters away. So here you see the final jumps and I got across. Now I am very experienced in this, but people new can also get the same results. So you see I have tyres and an upgrade kit now to spend on my cars, and you can see I can upgrade all my cars. I can go into the garage, upgrade my Fiestas so it's easier to do the races, and you can do 2 of those a day and get loads of parts for your cars. So thank you for watching. I will see you later. Please make sure to like and subscribe if this has been helpful. Goodbye.